Choose the polygon slice bookmark. And examine the long, thin slice above the fault. Enter KGRU for the unit field. Snap to the upper right corner of polygon B and enter vertices along the fault. Then up and around to enclose the entire slice. End by snapping to the edge or vertex of polygon A. While the slice is highlighted, choose Edit, Tools, Split. Digitize across the slice along the fault, starting and ending outside the slice. The slice is cut in two. Digitize across the still selected slice again, following the geological contact between the purple and brown units.